everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps, and we've got another lovely new SceneScape here. So I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it was to create a card using these fabulous backgrounds that are pre-printed onto a super smooth card. So it's a 220 grams, so it's quite a sturdy card. And it's got a really silky smooth finish, perfect for stamping onto. So today we're going to be using some of our lovely trees. So I'm going to ink these up in the Nocturne, that's the VersaFine Clair. And I'm just going to pop one on this side. And pop the other on the other side. So again, I'm inking up in the Nocturne. And I'm going to line that up down the bottom and give that a good press. So if I want to pop a little bit of foliage over the trees, I can. So let's pick a couple of colours. So we've got Glamorous and we've got Warm Breeze in the VersaFine Clair. So all I'm doing is just inking up, and it's such a fine stamp this is. It's perfect for these trees. So you can make any season that you want. You can put leaves, flowers, or even snow. So they're very useful for creating any card. So I'm going to ink up in the Glamorous now. I've just taken off that first one because it's quite a bright colour this, so I don't want it to be too overpowering. So we've got a couple of little hives here, fairy hives, and I'm inking those up in the Nocturne, and I'm just going to line that up and place that onto a branch. And then I'll do the same with the smaller one of the set. And then we've got one of our lovely hares, and I'm going to pop him down at the bottom there. And now using Twilight, I'm just going to add a few stars. And I'm going to ground our lovely trees and hair with the twilight. Just bringing in a little bit of depth again. I'm going around the trees, the tree trunks, as opposed to over the top as much as I can. So I've got my black Posca pen here. And I'm just following the line that I've created. And now I'm adding a little of the yellow. It always stands out that much more if you've got a darker colour, so it really does stand out over that twilight that I've just blended. And let's just put some lights on in these fairy hives. I've got a worded stamp here, and again I'm going to ink up in the twilight. And I'm just going to pop the verse across the top here. And do a little down at the sides. I might actually bring a little bit more colour with the blossom. And lastly, I'm just going to use one of our glue pens and add a little bit of glitter. And we've got Purple Delight here, so I'm pinching a little bit. And there we have it. I hope you can see the glitter there. But it's a nice, quick, easy background. Something so simple, and yet it looks really effective. Okay guys, thanks so much for joining me today. Bye for now.